Coffee brewing. Place cup under brew chamber. Slide booster out for small cups. Press the open-close switch to open pod door. Place fresh pod firmly down into pod holder. Press the open-close switch to close pod door. Press the desired brew switch. Once the brew cycle is finished, display will read Brewing complete. Remove cup after display returns to main screen. Hot water dispensing. Place cup under brew chamber. Press and hold the hot water switch to fill. Note, maximum of 10 ounces. Carefully remove cup.